Well, this is how to create a Turnitin assignment in Canvas. Right, so I'm in a module and I want to add an assignment to the module. Not a content page, but an assignment. New assignment, I'll call it Turnitin Demo 1. Add the item. I click on it to edit the assignment. And here is edit. Click that. I come in here, I can put instructions. I put in the points. I'll make it worth 100. And scroll down a little bit. I'm going to leave all of this the same. If it's part of if you use a weighted grading system, you'd want to assign it to the right grading group. But I'm going to leave that alone for now. The key is submission type is external tool. Change that to external tool, and then find the tool. And the tool is Turnitin LTI. I know it says null, but it's still the right thing to do. Is Turnitin LTI. Click that. Select. That puts it in the right hopper. I like to not load it in a new tab. I like to just load right there in Canvas, keep everything in the same place. If you assign a due date here, that due date will show up on the Turnitin side as well. So I think it's a good idea to put a due date in there. And then save and publish. Takes a minute. Talks to Turnitin. This is the Turnitin communication going on right here. All right, and then this is the integration right here. Remember, here's our instructions up here. If you had more elaborate instructions, that would fill up a much bigger area. And then this little 3-barred hamburger type thing over here is this is the assignment inbox, and then there are settings. So when you click on settings, this gives you all of the extra Turnitin details right here, including optional settings. And I recommend you do go through these and set this up in a way that you like it to be. There's a lot of optional things going on in here. I like to exclude bibliographic materials, quoted materials, small matches. I say yes. My advice is to give it 7%, to exclude 7%. Matches smaller than that are false positives usually. Over 7, you want to take a look and see what's going on with those. Pure mark, grammar checking, I never use any of this stuff, and then submit. So those are all under optional settings. You can't change the due dates here if you've already set them in Canvas. So that's supposed to connect with Canvas and talk to Canvas about due dates. All right, so back to the hamburger assignment inbox. When your students submit here, right now there's nothing, but when they submit, they will stack up right out here. All right, so that's how Canvas should talk to Turnitin. Well, I hope that helps you use Turnitin in your Canvas courses.